Morning student, today will be study of class 3rd subject moral science. Your book name is Friendship with Values. Now will be start chapter 1. Chapter 1. Chapter 1 title is Moment of Truth. This lesson is a story about the chapter. In this chapter we shall learn how an archer came to know how to control the bow along with mind. Think and discuss. Proud is the first step of havoc. There was a young student archer who reached such ability in his art that he could shoot an arrow into a tree and then cleave that arrow into two with the next shoot. He began to boast then he was a greater archer than his guru. One day his guru, a venerable old man in his 70s, asked the youth to accompany him on a trip across the hills. The journey was un- unevent- uneventful until they come to a deep chasm. A single log spanned the chasm. The Guru walked down to the center of the log, unsoldered his bow, and taking an arrow, shot into a tree on the other side. His next shot cleaved the first arrow into two. Now it is your turn, he said, walking back to where his student was standing. The youth stepped carefully on the log and very slowly and carefully made his way to the middle. But his heart was in his mouth. He knew that if he lost his footing, he would push to the death. His hand trembled as he strung an arrow into his bow, lost in thought. With the danger, he found it hard to focus on the target. Therefore, when he when he let go of the arrow, it it missed the tree altogether. Crying, he turned around. Help me, he shouted to his guru. I will fall. The old man walked up to him, took his hand, and stepping backwards, led him to safety. Neither of them said a word on the return journey, but but the boy had much to thought about. He had realized that to be a master of his art, it was not enough to know how to control the bow. He had to learn how to control his mind too. Moral of the story: a proud man always falls. Now complete your lesson. Your homework is read lesson 1.